Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of the video, this is a beauty haul. Yes, I went to the Canadian version of TJ Maxx and Home Goods last night. I dropped my daughter off at cheer and I went shopping. I'm on the hunt for beauty products like everybody else. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, this is my hand. It is all taped up because I had a biopsy done on my hand. I've had some growth. I don't know if I have an infection or what is going on, but they gave me medication. It wasn't going away, so they biopsied it this week. So this is why we have a taped hand. So let's ignore the taped hand and let's get to the beauty hub because I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I found awesome stuff last night. And if you don't follow me on IG, you need to follow me because I post things that I find. And last night, honestly, I found a La Mer cream. It was like a big giant one. And I could not believe the price, $365 for a cream. And no, my friend, I'm not paying that kind of money for a cream. But I did pay money for these things. So let's get to these things. Okay, so first things first, I got this Too Faced palette. It's a little mini palette. It's called Natural Eyes, and it's got, I'll open it up and I'll show you guys. So this is the palette right here. It's very, very pretty. I like the packaging. It's in a metal little tin, and this is what these are the colors here. Okay, let me turn around. These are the colors here, and yes, I am wearing them today. I think they look lovely. They went on great. Too Faced is an amazing company. I love their eyeshadows. I have plenty of their palettes, but I wanted this little mini one, and I almost bought this last time I was across the border at TJ Maxx, and I regret not buying it. And this was only $19.99 Canadian, which is a steal. So I got that. Okay. Next thing I got, and let me show you. I got a set of tweezers. I got the flat angled one and the pointy one. I needed them. It was $7.99, so that's not much, but I want to show you guys anyways. Okay, then I got this here. This is the packaging. It's called Calligraphy Liner, and it's Kill Black, and the company name is Clio. They're supposedly really, really good. I don't know where they sell them, but this is what was in the box. It is a full liquid liner. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. It's a very, very pigmented and very nice. I think you need to give it some time to dry, but it also brought this Micro Professional oil, I guess, to take off the liner. And this was $9.99. So I thought that was a great, great deal. So I got that. Okay. Then I'm looking around the store and I was like so excited. I found this. I found the mini chocolate Soleil bronzer for $4.99. Guys, I am wearing it today. I've been wearing it all day and it is fantastic. This is the color here. It's a little light. It's a little light for me because I am so tanned right now. But in the winter, this would be fantastic. And for $4.99 for Too Faced, I'm sorry, you cannot go wrong. This was a great buy. And this fits in my purse. But guys, if you wear Too Faced, you'll know you don't need to touch up their makeup all day long. Okay. Now, here's a good one. This is a good one that I found. See this here? The girl at the counter did not know what this was, but I did. This is Gucci. Yes, a Gucci lip gloss lipstick in matte. I love the color. I thought the color was beautiful. I did swatch it myself. I'm going to swatch it for you guys so you can see. If you find this, pick it up. It was out of its packaging. There's the color. It looks a little different on camera than it does on my hand. It's actually very burgundy-ish, but the number is 310, and it says here, what does it say? Deep Matte Orchid. Okay, so guys, this is great. The girl didn't know what it was, so I said, okay, how much you'd give me this for? So she marked it to $5 for Gucci. Yeah. Okay. Not bad for Gucci. Okay, guys, last two things and then we are done. So then I was walking around and I saw this. It's from the Kat Von D line. It's called A Wing and a Kiss. I don't know if you guys know this. You shop at Sephora. Kat Von D is pretty pricey, but their liquid liner, the tattoo, is supposed to be amazing. I have it on today. It is awesome. It has not budged all day, so I would say it is probably worth its money at Sephora. This has only the mini, but it was great. It's a black liquid liner with felt tip. The tip is so tiny. Let me show you. Look how tiny that tip is. Oh my God, it's great. It does really good wing liners. My daughter also tried it out. She loved it. But it had this lipstick, and I thought, oh, I like Kat Von D lipsticks. I want to try this. This color is so pretty. I am wearing it today, and it's a full-size lipstick. And for both of these, it was $12.99 originally, but because someone swatched it, I asked her if I could get a discount. She said yes, so she gave it to me for $12. So I thought that was a great deal. Okay, the last thing, guys. Now, this I bought when I was shopping with a client of mine, and she was like, oh my God. And I said, what is this? So this is what it is. It's called retinol collagen, and it's anti-aging, and the company is Sculpt. Now, my client that I was shopping with, she is a medical esthetician. She does all kinds of like chemical peels and all that kind of stuff. And she says that at her spa, they sell this for $120. And I got this for $14.99 at Winners here in Canada, which is TJ Maxx, let's be honest. Anyways, it's two things, and I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see if it works. And yeah, and that is it. Okay, so that is it for the shopping haul. I have not checked my subscriber count, but I honestly think that we're way up there. Last I checked was like 741, 740. So that means the giveaway will be happening very soon. I'm very excited. I am so grateful. I am so honored that you take out your time and your day to watch me. Like, thank you so much. I'm your girl Bella. If you're new to my channel, please try and hit that subscribe button. You won't be sorry. Anyways, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.